Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Girls. My name is Surendra Sekhar Sahu and today is day 4 of our 30 days of coding challenge. So without wasting any time, let's head over to our problem. So the name of our problem is angle between hands of clock. So I hope all of you guess what may be the problem by seeing the title. So the problem is given two numbers, one is hour and minutes, return the smaller angle in degrees found between the hour and minute hand. Okay, so the problem is simple, so it's a very easy problem. There is only things to math related things are there. If you clear at maths, then you will easily implement it. So this is our hour hand and this is our minute hand, so we have to calculate the minimum angle between these ends. So the angle I am pointing this is not is a maximum angle, and the angle I am pointing now is minimum angle. Okay, so we have to calculate the minimum angle. So how can we calculate? So here it's given an example like it's 12:30, so the angle between is 165. In the next example it's 3:30 and the angle is 75. This is the minimum angle. Okay, this is the maximum angle, but we have to take only minimum angle. And here it's 3:15 and the angle is 7.5. Yes, you can see it's a very less, so that's why it's 7.5 degree. So how to calculate it? Okay, so let's take this example. So how can we calculate the angle? First let's calculate the angle between, let's suppose there is a hand. Okay, let's suppose, so the angle between this 12 and this 3 we have to calculate. Then we have to calculate the angle from 12 to this. Okay, this is 180 and this will be something, so we have to subtract them, then we can get our this angle. Okay, this is the complete logic. So I request all of you to pause the video and think its solution and implement it. The description, in the description box I will give in the link of the problem. Okay, so let's head over to our logic in more detail. So there are 60 minutes total and it is total 360 degree. So per minute we have 6 degree. This is simple. So let's suppose I have taken an example of 8:15. Okay, so 15 minutes, so 15 minutes makes an angle 90 degree, because 1 minute is equal to 6 degree. Okay, 1 minute makes an angle 6 degree with this 12 o'clock, this 12. Okay, so the angle will be 90 degree. Then what is hour? 8. Okay, so total 12 hours and total degree is 360. So per hour we will have 30 degree. That means from this section to this section 30, 30 and 30. Okay, so now we have to calculate 8:15. So for 15 we have calculated that it is a 90 degree, and for 8 we have to calculate. For 8 per one angle is 1 hour is 30 degrees, so for 8 hour it will be 240 degree. Okay, so we have to subtract them. Okay, but there is one thing you need to know, that when it is 8:15, so the clock, so the hour hand will be between 8 and 9. We have to calculate that also. Okay, we have to take care of this condition also. Like here we have 3:30, so 3 is between 3 and 4. Okay, but we have simply calculated by using this formula that 3 will be like 90, but this is actually not making 90 with 3. Okay, this will make something greater than 90. So but our example is 8:15, so we'll consider that. So we have to now calculate how many deviations will be there when this minute hand will be in 15 and the hour hand will be 18. So okay, so the 15 minute, okay, 15 minute is a 1/4 of 60. Okay, 15 minutes is 1/4 of 60. So we have simply formed this logic. So 15 by 16, so it is 1/4 of 1 hour. Okay, 15 minutes is 1/4 of 1 hour. So we can say 15 by 60 is 1/4 of 1 hour. 1 hour make 30 degree, so it will make 7.5 degree. Okay, so the we have 240 degree for 8, and the extra deviation will cause 7.5 degree. So the total angle of 8 hour we have calculated is 247.5 degree. Then we have to subtract them both. 247.5 minus 90, and the answer is 157.5. So here is the implementation part. we have the minute hand is given and the hour is given, so we have to multiply 6 with minute. As we can see here, 6 degree per minute, so we have to multiply 6 with minute and 30 with hour. So the extra deviation is calculated in this line. Okay, then the total angle I have taken absolute, because to make value always positive I have taken this absolute. And there is one more thing, so if the angle is greater than 180, so that is maximum angle. If the angle is less than 180, so this is minimum angle. Okay, so suppose if this value becomes more than 180, so I have simply minus that from 360 and it will be the minimum angle. If the angle is less than 180, so it will be obviously the minimum angle. That's the small logic I have missed out. So this is for the video. Hope you all get it. Take care.